Alright, I'm going to show my young tree collection. Some of them are for my future orchard, some of them I may give away. I got a lot in various stages of growth. Starting on this side of the yard, my first and favorite, because I put so much effort into it, is the cacao. I have 70 seedlings, quite a few, and then kind of mingled in here with them, we got the tamarind. I've killed a couple of them, unfortunately. We got the lychee seedlings. I'm working on jackfruit, but they haven't sprouted yet. And then right here we got the coffee. They have really pretty shiny leaves. Right here I got a breadfruit that I've probably killed, but we'll get there someday. And then over here we got a banana. They have really cool leaves. Then next to it is a donut peach. They look really funny. You should look those up. This is a Granny Smith apple. And then actually I skipped over the apple seedlings. We got some apple seedlings here from a Granny Smith and a Fuji. And then moving right along, we've got our Hass avocado, Zutano avocado, and then all sorts of avocados that I've started from seed down here. Got lots of potted avocado pits, some of them sprouting. Then over here, got the macadamia, we got the Meyer lemon, this is the Bear's lime, we got the blood orange, we got a rare citrus called a Tangilolo, that's a nickname for it. We have the grapefruit, the kumquat. This is a Buddha's hand. If you haven't seen one of these, I recommend looking them up. Got the acerola cherry. I have a couple varieties of mulberries here. Got a Persian and a Pakistan. We got my fig that I grew from a cutting. We got some pomegranate seedlings and their bigger pomegranate sibling. I got my pecan. Working on air layering this. We'll see if that works. Then we got the almond. This thing was like a fraction of this size yesterday. Now it's really tall. Or not yesterday, last year. I've got papayas here. They're all very small too. We got the loquat. And then we got the cherry moya. I have a bunch of seedlings for these as well. And then I think lastly is the carob. I lied. Lastly is the elderberries. I lied again. I have pineapple guavas. That's the last one.